Assalamu alaikum my viewers and my dear students and learners. Hoping for your good health as usual. प्रीवियसली हमने बात की थी कि रूल्स हमने पढ़े थे हैव और हैज़ कहाँ पे इस्तेमाल करें. तो आज जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर अफर्मेटिव, नेगेटिव, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस पे बात करेंगे. सो लेट्स सी. आई हैव अ पेट. आई हैव अ पेट मीन्स मेरे पास पेट है. पेट मीन्स पालतू जानवर. तो हैव मीन्स व्हाट यू हैव, आपके पास क्या है. आई, वी, यू, दे के साथ आप हैव इस्तेमाल करेंगे. हमने प्रीवियसली वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा तो डेफिनेटली वो वीडियो देखें. आई हैव अ पेट डॉग, आई हैव अ पेट कैट. दीज आर द अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. शी हैज़ ए वॉच. शी हैज़ अ वॉच. शी हैज़ अ स्पोर्ट्स कार. Okay, and what they have a big house in the city. They have a big house in the city. Okay, my brother and I. Now see, my brother and I, there are two personal pronouns, so with these two we will use have. Okay, my brother dash a blue shirt. Now my brother is a singular, so we will use my brother has a blue shirt. If you have many brothers, you can say my brothers have, because brothers is a plural. My brothers have a blue shirt. Okay, my doll have curly hair. Doll is a singular subject. With a singular subject we use has. We have a farmhouse. We have a farmhouse in the country. So with the we use have. We have a farmhouse in the country. It is a dog. It is a dog. Now this is a be verb. It has 4 legs. Now see, it, as I previously discussed, it is used with the non-living things as well as with animals and birds. For example, it is a dog. This is a be verb. It has 4 legs. Now see, has 4 legs. With it we use has. An elephant has a trunk. An elephant has a trunk. My grandmother has a diamond necklace. My grandmother has a diamond necklace. Okay. Another sentence is I have a red shirt. I have a red shirt. Another sentence is the boys. The boys is a plural. The boys have a lot of homework to do. उन्हें बहुत सारा homework है. The boys is a plural, have a lot of work to do. So another sentence, the girls have many books. The girls have many books. Birds have wings. Birds have wings and feathers. So these are the affirmative sentences. In negative sentences, for example, we are making same sentences into negative sentences. How we have to make the negative sentences? For example, I have a pet dog means I do not have a pet dog. I do not have a pet dog. And another sentence was she has a sports car. She has not a sports car. She has not a sports car. They have a big house in the city. It was sentence. They do not have a big house in the city. They do not have a big house in the city. My brother and I have a toy train. My brother and I have a toy train. My brother and I do not have. Okay, do not have इनके साथ इस्तेमाल किया because my brother and I are the plurals. Okay, so my doll does not have, because doll is a singular. My doll does not have curly hair. Okay, and we do not have a farmhouse in the country. We do not have a farmhouse in the country. It is a dog, be verb. It is a dog. It does not have 4 legs. It does not have 4 legs, because with it we use does not have. I do not have a red shirt. My grandmother does not have a diamond necklace. My grandmother is a singular. We use does not have a diamond necklace. So these were the negative sentences. How we have to make it interrogative sentences. Remember, as I have already told you, it's very easier to make the interrogative sentences. Just you need to put the helping verb before the subject. Use करना है. कैसे? For example, I have a pet dog. So do I have a pet dog? Do पहले लगाएंगे. This is a more formal than I have a pet dog. She has a sports car. Does she have a sports car? Does she have a sports car? Remember, मैंने previously बात की थी कि has यहाँ पे negative interrogative sentence में use नहीं होता, सिर्फ और सिर्फ affirmative sentences में होता है. So they have a big house in the city. Do they have a big house in the city? Do they have a big house in the city? So my brother has a blue shirt. Does my brother is singular, does my brother have a blue shirt? My doll has a curly hair. Does my dog have curly hair? Does my doll have curly hair? We have a farmhouse in the city. Do we have a farmhouse in the city? Do we have a farmhouse in the city? It is a dog, be verb. It has 4 legs. Does it have 4 legs? Does it have 4 legs? An elephant has trunk. Does an elephant have trunk? My grandmother has a diamond necklace. Does my grandmother have a diamond necklace? So see, these are the basic questions, how we have to ask questions from other persons. If you are discussing with your friends, colleagues, or any relative, and advise you, do practice in your real life situations. Hope you all got my lecture, understood my lecture well, and if you have still any confusion, do let me know.